Fadila. I will explain material about temperature and heat. Temperature is a measure of the count of hotness or cold of an object or system. Temperature is defined as a physical quantity shared between two or more objects that are in thermal equilibrium. Change in the temperature of an object, whether it becomes hotter or colder, are usually followed by a change in its shape or form. For example, water changes its form into ice cubes or water vapor due to the influence of heat or cold. Heat is a form of energy that can move from objects with higher temperatures to objects with lower temperatures if the two are brought together or in contact. Two objects that have different temperatures when brought together will appear heat that flows or move. From example, when mixing cold water with hot water, we will produce warm water. A. Heat as energy transfer. We use the term heat in everyday life as if we know what it means, but in the terms is often used inconsistently, so it is important of us to the defense heat to clarify the phenomenon and concept clearly, and for the relationship with heat. We generally tell about the flow of heat. Heat flow from the store to the coffee kettle, from the sun to the air, from a person's mouth to a river thermometer. Heat flows by itself from a body with a higher temperature to another body with a lower temperature. Joule measurement show that the kinetic energy of the wick after it has fallen is less than Mach. So some kinetic energy is lost. The lost kinetic energy is converted into heat that heat the air, which is the result of the conversion of the proper rotation. Rather, that is an energy transfer when heat flows from a hot object to a color on energy is transferred from the hot to the cold. Thus, heat is energy turns in transfer from an object to another due to a temperature difference. In Ca, the unit for heat as from other form of energy is joule. B. The difference between temperature, heat, and energy in the total sum of all the energy and all the molecules in an object is called thermal energy or internal energy. Using kinetic theory, we can make a clear distinction between temperature, heat, and internal energy. 1. Temperature in Kelvin is a measurement of the average kinetic energy of individual molecules, where the higher the thermal energy of an object, the higher the temperature of or temperature it is. 2. Thermal energy or internal energy reference to the total energy of all the molecule in a object. 3. Where's heat reference to the transfer of energy or such as thermal energy from one object to another due to a temperature difference. C. Energy in an ideal gas. The internal energy, or U, is the sum of the total kinetic energy of all gas molecules in a space. It is equal to the average kinetic energy per molecule times the total number of molecules. If the gas molecule consists of more than one atom, then the rotational and vibration energy of the molecules must else be taken into account. The internal energy will be greater at a given temperature than of a monatomic gas, but remainer only a function of the temperature for ideal gas. The internal energy of real gas also depend primarily on the temperature, but where the difference and the behavior of ideal gas in some cases internal energy also depend on pressures and volume. Energy in liquid solid is very complete, as it includes electric potential energy associated with the force or terminal bonds or between atom and molecule. Example equation material about heat as energy transfer. Sample equation: two young couples were not careful one afternoon and ate too much ice cream and cooked. They realized they had overeaten by about 500 calories, and to compensate they went to the corresponding work by climbing the stairs. How much height should a person climb? Each of them has a mass of 60 kilograms. Answer: W equals 500 times 4,186 joule equals 2093. M equals 60 kilogram. G equals 9.8 m per s kuadrat. Asket H equals completion. W equals mg H. H equals W mg H equals 2093 equals 500 and naik and H equals 3550 naik M. So each person will need to climb 3559 meters of stair to burn 500 calories. The conclusion of this material is 1. Temperature is a measure of the degree of heat or coldness of an object or system, while heat is a form of energy that can move from object with higher temperatures to object with lower temperature if the two are brought together or in contact. Through James Prescott Cole conducted a number of experiments that were important of establishing our current view that heat, like war, repression, energy transfer. Joule determined that a certain amount of work done is always equivalent to a certain amount of heat input. Quantitative of work turned out to be equivalent to 1 calor or cal of heat. This value is known as the mechanical heat rate. 3. The difference between temperature, heat, and internal energy is A. Temperature is measurement of the average kinetic energy of individual molecules. B. Heat reference to the transfer of energy, or such as the thermal energy from one object to another due to temperature difference. C. Internal energy reference to the total energy of all the molecules in the object. 4. The internal energy is the sum of the translation kinetic energies of all atoms. That's my explanation regarding the material on temperature and heat. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys.